Hi, I wanted to share my experience with GGS Coaching as it has positively transformed my life within a year. I was at an extreme low point in my life, struggling with medical issues due to changes in hormones, my thyroid, exhausting my body by not fueling it properly, and pushing too hard on my workout programming. My physical activity came to a halt for about 2 years because I was in extreme pain every day and night. Eventually, I worked with a naturopath, and I was ready to come back to physical activity. But I didn't know where to start. I was extremely confused, scared, and it felt like a huge undertaking, but this is where I found GGS. GGS program is carefully and thoughtfully developed and encompasses many dimensions to have an immense impact in your life. GGS coaches support and guide you throughout the entire process and program. Their direction and encouragement gave me the confidence and strength to keep pushing forward. They are definitely the shining stars of GGS, and I can't thank them enough. Today, I am more respectful of my body. I am physically active. I am more in tune with my thoughts and feelings. I would say I am a more centered human thanks to GGS. If you are considering enrolling, I would recommend that you be open and enjoy the process. And when you do enroll, congratulations on starting a journey to a better you.